everybody, this is Renzi Rhodes, and today we are gonna dissect a flower to learn its parts. And this flower is a gumamela flower, or in English, hibiscus. So this is the flower we are going to use today because it looks good. And these parts are the petals. And did you know that a perfect flower is only classified when the flower has a male and female parts? The yellow parts of this are the male. And then this long thing is the female. Without the male, it'll look bald. Okay, so let's start. Take out the sepals. Should be very careful because the piece that it covers is very fragile. So the sepal is here. Next, the petals. Its purpose is to attract the insects. Okay, next, gonna take this out. Take the stem out from this part. This thing is left, but it's okay. And this is what we have. Slippery. Oh, that's the ovary, and inside is the ovule. These are the ovules, and I smush the ovary to get them. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!